प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पिछले दिन ऑर्डिनरी पीपल एंड द क्राइम्स अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी के बारे में पढ़ाया था और हमने कहा था इसके एक्टिविटी 8 पढ़ के आइएगा। और आज हम आगे नॉलेज अबाउट हॉलोकॉस्ट के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। लेसन नंबर 3 में नाजी एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर के ही अंतर्गत है नॉलेज अबाउट द हॉलोकॉस्ट, पेज नंबर 54 पे। तो इंफॉर्मेशन कहते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वर्चुअल वीज दैट द नाजी adopted to the crust, the so-called undesirable, began to leak out in bits in the last years of the Nazi regime। तो आगे देखें द होल स्टोरी अबाउट द barbaric representation of the people by Hitler come before the world after the fall of Hitler. After the defeat of Hitler on the one hand, the German nation was organized at its ignominious defeat and plight. The Jews, on the other hand, which rest of the world remember the autocratic and the suffering that the Nazi had inflicted on them. They would not like that the world forgot the genocide of the Jews carried out by the Nazi. The genocide prepared by the Nazi is also called Holocaust। क्या कहते हैं? Genocide prepared by the Nazi is also called Holocaust। When the persecution by the Nazi was on its peak, one of the members of Jewish Ghetto had said to one of his partners that he wanted to outlive the war just for half an hour. Probably he wanted to narrate to the world what the Nazi had done to them before dying. The indomitable desire of the inhabitants of the ghettos living a hellish life to bear witness and to preserve the documents that fell to their hands about their plight could be clearly seen. Many of them had written diaries, note books, and had preserved them in the form of the archive. On the other hand, when the Nazis saw their imminent defeat, the Nazi leaders started distributing petrol to their employees in order to destroy all the evidence in the form of documents and other objects. Even today, the history of the Nazi Holocaust and its memory is still alive in memories, literature, documentaries, memorials, or museums in many parts of the world. This is all a tribute to those who dared to resist the horrifying and barbaric misrule of Hitler. These memories are enough to put to shame those who committed tyranny and the warning to those who silently suffered the brutest acts and resisted never. Now, Mahatma Gandhi writes a letter कहते हैं महात्मा गांधी ने एक लेटर लिखा है, लेटर टू एडोल्फ हिटलर एज एट वर्धा सीपी इंडिया के माध्यम से। हियर हिटलर बर्लिन जर्मनी डियर फ्रेंड्स हैव बीन अर्जिंग मी टू राइट टू यू फॉर द sake of unity, but I have resisted their request because of the feeling that any letter from me would be an impertinence. Something tells me that I must not calculate and that I must make my appeal for whatever it may be worth. It is quite clear that you are today the one person in the world who can prevent a war which may reduce humanity to the savage state. Must you pay that price for an object, however worthy it may appear to you to be? Will you listen to the appeal of my one who has deliberately shunned the method of the war and not without considerable success? Anyway, I anticipate your forgiveness if I have erred in writing to you. I remain your सिंसियर फ्रेंड M.K. गांधी। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी लिखते हैं, द कलेक्टेड वर्क महात्मा गांधी। ये कलेक्टेड से ये ड्रॉप किया गया, लिया गया है। अब लेटर टू एडोल्फ हिटलर वर्धा। अब हिटलर ने देखिए क्या लिखता है वर्धा से, वी हैव फाउंड इन नॉन वायलेंस a force which if organized can without doubt match itself against a combination of all the most violent force in the world. In the non-violent technique, as I have said, there is no such thing as a defeat. It is all do or die without killing or hurting. It can be used practically without money and obviously without the aid of science of destruction which you have brought to such perfection. It is a marvel to me that you do not see that it is nobody's monopoly. If not the British, some other power will certainly improve upon your method and beat you with your own weapon. You are leaving no legacy to your people of which they would feel proud. They cannot take pride in the rascal of cruel deed, however skillfully planned. I therefore appeal to you in the name of humanity to stop the war. I am your sincerely M.K. गांधी। धन्यवाद। इतना पढ़ के शिक्षा।